Hi everyone, my name is Justin Tom George and my co-partner Abhijit Sanniyath. We are currently pursuing our post-graduation in MBA at Macfast College Tiruvalla. Today we are going to discuss about the case study how much does data-driven planning help farmers. Let's have a look upon the summary. This case study is about impact of technology in the field of farmers by introduction and implementation of new agriculture technology. Farmers are enjoying better results by implementing these kind of advancement in the field. Farmers are getting chance to use lesser amount of fertilizers and pesticides. High quality seeds are also result of this advancement. Major technologies used in this field are perspective planting and field scripts. Summary: big agricultural companies like Monsanto and DuPont want their computers to analyze the planting depth or the distance between crop rows to show farmers how to increase their crop output. This practice is also known as perspective planting. A new software developed by Monsanto called FieldScripts takes into account variables such as amount of sunlight and shade and variation in the soil, nitrogen and phosphorus content down to an area as small as 10 meter by 10 meter grid. Monsanto estimates their field scripts to improve yield by 5 to 10 bushel per acre. The outcome of predictive planting is less about the size of the farm and more about the farmer's technology know-how. Monsanto aimed to build a free online data storehouse where farmers could upload information ranging from crop field to planting routes. It wouldn't access data without the permission from the farmers. This is a logo of Monsanto and DuPont. The main fact and figures in this study are: farming is being reshaped by information technology. Many tractors and combinations today are guided by GPS satellite-based navigation system. This system helps steer the equipment. Farmers monitor progress on their iPad and their tablet computers. Big agriculture companies like Monsanto and DuPont want to provide services, perspective planting, and field scripts. The main advantages of these technologies are saving the cash spread fertilizers everywhere, boosting yields in the area that have performed more poorly, protecting the environment, increasing the crop output. Benefits of data-driven planting are: perspective planting improves average corn harvesting by more than 200 bushels per acre, generating an extra 182 rupees revenue per acre. The reduced usage of fertilizers is good for the environment. To improve yield by 5 to 10 bushels with corn at rupees 4 per bushels. A small farm of 500 acres can earn everywhere from 10,000 to 20,000 in extra revenue. Reduced cost by reducing the amount of excess fertilizers. Using big data increase efficiency and speed in the crop growth. Now let us discuss about the questions and their solutions. Moving on to the first question, list and describe the technologies used in the case study. In this case study, the technologies described are mainly three, and they are global positioning system, field scripts, and prescriptive planting system. First one, GPS. GPS based application in precision farming are being used for farming planning, field mapping, soil sampling, tractor guidance, crop scouting, variable rate applications, and yield mapping. GPS system allows farmers to work during low visibility field conditions such as rain, dust, fog, and darkness. Field scripts. It is a new software developed by Monsanto considering variable factors that affects the growth of product and deliver precise information to the end users. Prescriptive planting system. This system serves them with great precision with seeds to plant and how to cultivate them in different land. It is used in remote sensing and other cartographic techniques to map every field. It combines all the climate information that it could find and send to field scripts. The second question is, how do the systems described in the case provide operational intelligence? The systems described in the case provide operational intelligence, like farmers are being able to make decisions on time without the help of others. Farmers can easily access the quality of seeds and the crop they are using and producing. The system also provide information related to the climate conditions and marketing price levels. Now the third question is, how does predictive planting support decision making? Explain 3 areas of decision making. Predictive planting provides data on field boundaries, historic and crop fields and soil conditions to an agricultural data analysis company. It analyzes the data along with other data it has collected about seed performance and soil conditions. It helps to determine the type of seed matches for a particular area. Helps government to provide various incentive programs. Easily analyzes the trend in the agriculture field. Now the last question is, how helpful is predictive planting for individuals and agricultural industry? Putting together an ideal machinery system is not easy. Equipment that works best one year may not works well for the next because of changes in the weather conditions or crop production practices. Improvement in design may make older equipment obsolete. The number of acres being farmed or the amount of labor available may change. Our recommendations for this study are: companies should provide rental service, develop systems that can be applicable most of the time, assure customers that their data will not be misused. These are all about what we want to share about the presentation. How much does data driven planning help farmers? Thank you.